Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MCOA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like a couple weeks worth of time right there, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. But after today's price action, there's now a very logical question on the table, and that question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice bounce. There's no doubt about it. Nobody can really argue against that. I mean, it was a good, solid movement on the bull's part. But that brings up the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of fake move, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using a chart like we're going to do and using the past annotations, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around 4 cents. The first thing we got to do, though, is just foundational principle in charting. When levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And especially in this case, why is that the case? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward, not go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 4 cents. Any sort of closes below 4 cents, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this channel where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price heads down here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would we have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as a stair step, well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's what truly strong moves do, right? They make progress in the upwards direction. So to me, 4 cents, very important level of support. And just a bounce is going to bounce, right? And if a bounce goes back to where it was, well, then by definition, it's no longer bouncing anymore. And that's why I love charts. It just makes things very simplistic like that. So is the price going to make progress? Well, let's see if it can start to build some stair steps. In regards to levels of resistance, the key one seems irrelevant right now, but it's going to be that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by on Monday, this level will continue to move downwards, and that'll be the main kind of next key level of resistance. But no doubt about it, very, very nice day today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum next week? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.